Oh, hi. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is for you. I hope you guys are doing okay. I know I have been absent the past couple weeks. I apologize. Last week was like crazy busy, and it was also very frustrating. I'm back here in Florida. I had to come home to take care of something that has to do with my license. My medical waiver has expired, and I didn't even know I had a medical waiver. It's for my vision. I wear contacts, and so yeah, that has totally thrown me off basis. I can't drive class vehicles right now, so until I get this fixed, I'm kind of on suspension or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's where we're at. And to top it all off, because COVID is still, here, and the county is still kind of restricting the amount of people that can go into buildings and stuff. You have to make an appointment at the DMV, and they are very limited. So my appointment's like the beginning of January, so I'm kind of stuck here until I get this fixed. So we came home a week early. I was going to come home anyway, so it's not that big of a deal, but I had a really great load, 2 loads actually, to do before I came home, but I wasn't able to do them. So that's kind of an update on that part. Last week we went to Las Vegas. That was a fantastic trip. We retained a lot of what we made off of that trip. We flew back from Las Vegas to Chicago for $45, which was awesome. Okay. So we spent less than $150 to get back to Goshen from Las Vegas last week. So that was great. Very, very awesome trip. The RV that we took was a Class B. It got 20 miles per gallon. It was awesome. Very, very good. I hope I get that trip more often, because that was like the perfect, it was like the perfect driveaway situation. So, but yes, we did really well last week, going to Las Vegas. I was able to stay there for an extra day. And, I've never actually stayed in Las Vegas before. I've driven through in a semi, but I've never actually got to kind of explore the area. So that was pretty cool. So I did that. We came home, found out about my license. My plan while we're here is to get the CRV finished up. It's almost ready to go, I hope. Fingers crossed. Anyways, to the main point of this video. I need y'all's help, okay? There is something I would like to do on the channel, but it's going to require you guys to help me out, because I can't do it without you. I am looking to make like a Q&A video series on the channel. I would like to make 2 separate ones. One of them is going to be strictly drive-away questions, and then one can just be like totally random stuff. It could be about me, it could be about the planet, whatever you want to ask. It can be kind of goofy. Any kind of question you want to ask, you can ask, and I will put it in that video. But yeah, I would like to do these maybe once or twice a month. I think it would be kind of fun. We're too small. I don't even think I could do live videos yet. I think you have to have a certain amount of subscribers or something. I can't remember. But we're way too small right now. So, instead of getting ahead of ourselves, I would like to do a video series to kind of tie us over until we can get to that point. So, if you guys can leave me questions in the comments of this video below, I would really, really appreciate it. That way I can get these rolling, and I can answer your questions immediately. And then down the road, I can make a separate video for that particular question, and then can kind of go more into depth with it. I think it'd be good to kind of build the channel and add a little bit more substance. I can talk about stuff that you guys actually want to know, okay? Because I don't really know what you guys are wanting to know, like right off the bat. I've had a few people ask me about load boards. I don't know if I can show the load board. I might be able to show like the basic information. So I might make a video about that. I might show you guys like really quick. Second update for the channel is I have an Instagram. I made an Instagram account for this channel specifically. And basically it's just, you know, to post when a new video comes out. And also I take pictures while I'm out driving. And my trip out to Las Vegas, I went through 70. I took I-70 through Denver, through Vail, Grand Junction, all the way down to 15. And I took 15 down to Las Vegas. And guys, it was perfect weather. It was like in the 40s. There was no rain, no sleet, no snow, nothing. It was perfect. It took me like 4 days to get to Vegas because I kept stopping to take pictures. It was absolutely gorgeous. So pictures I take while I'm out, I put on Instagram. So if that's something you guys are interested in, feel free to start following. I will put the Instagram name like here or here, and then I will leave a link down in the description box below. So guys, please check it out. Please start following if you are interested in that kind of thing. So yeah, that's pretty much the two big things that are going to be happening in the next couple weeks. I will be making videos. I'm sorry, I've been a horrible YouTuber. It's just this whole situation with my license has really irritated me. And it totally just like threw me out for a loop. Totally messed me up. I was going to have a really, really good week with the 2 loads I was going to do before I came home for Christmas. But it just totally screwed me up. So we're kind of sitting around twiddling our thumbs. I'll probably just Uber around while I wait for this to get done, and then we can head back up there and keep rolling. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Have a great holiday, guys. I really hope everyone's able to you know, visit family and make it as normal as possible. I know everybody's situation is different, but I hope you guys do have a good holiday and a good new year. So with that being said, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good YouTube-y stuff that I know you guys are really good at. I will see you guys in the next episode. That will be sometime next week. I'm gonna try and crank out a few before the holiday week gets here. So thank you guys. I appreciate your support so far. If you guys have any questions outside of this, please let me know down below, or send me a message if you want. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next episode.